In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Clickup. If you're new to Clickup or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps to get your files uploaded quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred browser and go to Clickup's website. Once there, log in with your credentials. If you're already familiar with Clickup, this should be a breeze, but if not, it's as simple as entering your email and password to access your dashboard. This is your starting point for all tasks in Clickup, and today our focus is on adding files to your tasks. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to find and open the specific task where you intend to upload your file. Navigating through Clickup is intuitive. Think of it like accessing different folders on your computer. Locate the project or list your task resides in, then click on the task to open up its detailed view. This is where all the magic happens. Once you have your task opened up, direct your attention to the panel within the task details. Look for the option that says plus add attachment or simply the paperclip icon. You're on the right track. Clicking on this allows you to attach files to your task, much like adding documents to an email. At this point, you have a few options for uploading your file. You can drag and drop the file directly into the Clickup window if it's convenient for you, or you can click to browse your computer for the file you wish to upload. Select the file and initiate the upload process. It's straightforward and works seamlessly whether you're uploading documents, images, or other file types. After you've selected your file, give it a moment to upload. You'll see a progress indicator appearing on the screen, which lets you know the upload is in process. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this might take a few seconds to a minute or two. So hang tight while Clickup does the heavy lifting. Once your file has successfully uploaded, you'll notice it appear within the task view. From here, you have the flexibility to click on the file to preview it right there in Clickup. If you need to download it again or share the file with others, simple options are available at your fingertips. You can get the file link directly, which really enhances collaboration, especially when working with team members who might not have immediate access to Clickup, and there you have it. Uploading files in Clickup is as easy as pie. This functionality opens up a world of possibilities when managing all your tasks and projects in one place, making collaboration and organization so much more streamlined. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide empowers you to use Clickup even more effectively.